Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer credit from one customer to another customer in QuickBooks Online. This is incredibly useful when you need to move unused credit balances between client accounts, perhaps due to billing adjustments or account consolidations. Let's start by clicking on the plus new button on the left navigation menu. This opens up your main transaction options in QuickBooks. From here, scroll down to the Other section and click on Journal Entry. Journal entries are the backbone of this transfer process because they allow you to directly adjust your accounts receivable for both customers simultaneously. Once you're in the journal entry screen, you'll need to set up the first line, click on the account field, and select Accounts Receivable A/R from your chart of accounts. Then, in the name dropdown right next to it, select the customer you're transferring the credit from. This is the customer who currently has the credit balance sitting in their account. Now, in the debits column, enter the exact amount of credit you want to transfer. This debit entry will effectively reduce the credit balance on this customer's account. On the second line, you'll do something similar but in reverse. Select the Accounts Receivable A/R account again, and in the name dropdown, choose the customer you want to transfer the credit to. This time, enter the same amount in the credits column. This credit entry will add that balance to the receiving customer's account. Before saving, add a clear description in the memo field explaining why this transfer is happening. This creates an audit trail for future reference. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to record the journal entry. Now we need to apply these journal entries properly. Go back to Plus New and select Receive Payment under the Customers section. Choose the customer from whom the credit was transferred, the one you selected in the first line of your journal entry. Under Outstanding Transactions, you'll see the journal entry you just created. Check the box next to it and click Save and Close. This action removes the credit from the original customer's account. Finally, repeat this process for the receiving customer. Click Plus New. Again, select Receive Payment and choose the customer who's receiving the credit. Select the invoice you want to apply the credit to. Check the journal entry under Credits, enter the payment amount, and click Save and Close. The credit has now been successfully transferred and applied. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.